border and out 60 nautical miles, including San Clemente Island. The test signal was broadcast to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywire network of radio operators. These are the 11 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time observations for the Coachella Valley area. At the Palm Springs International Airport, it was sunny. Temperature was 89 degrees, dew point 61, and a relative humidity 38%. Wind was northwest at 9 miles an hour. Pressure was 29.84 inches and steady. The report from Thermal Airport was not available. In Whitewater, temperature was 83 degrees. Wind was southwest at 21 miles an hour. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a required weekly test for the following areas in extreme southwestern California: Orange County, Riverside County, San Bernardino County, San Diego County, and the coastal waters from San Mateo Point to the Mexican border and out 60 nautical miles, including San Clemente Island. The test signal was broadcast to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywire network of radio operators. It was 82 at Apple Valley and 76 at Hesperia.